Good night, everybody. This is Caleb. Please check the description for this video so you can have all the information. And we are going to start by duplicating our frames over here. A to select everything. Shift D to move them. Yes. Okay. Now we need to add like a surface, a floor, for example, with a plane mesh and a scale with S. Okay. Now we need to add the path, Shift A, curve, and path. Now edit mode and X to delete everything on vertices. Now click on draw and surface, so we can draw over the surface of the plane. Top view with 7 in your numpad, on your numpad, and sketch a little curve over here. Probably it's too little, I don't know. Click here to see the directions of the arrow. Yeah. Now to object mode again. Let's hide the pane. Rename it to floor, for example. And hide it so we can select the floor. Click on the rig. Yeah, now select, shift select the curve. Okay, the rig, the curve, and Control P. Path constraint. And nothing is happening. Click on this curve, pass animation 417. Follow. Yeah, nothing. Now the rig constraints. Yeah, follow curve. Look at this, it changed direction. See, anyway, path, and nothing is changing. You need to. Okay, we got it. Now it's following the path. You need to tweak over here too, so you can have your your coordinates right. Okay, and that will be it for this tutorial. Thank you very much. See you any other day. Bye.